Canva is a free publishing and graphic design, right? That's why, right? Uh, most of us looking forward that why not we apply Canva? Why not we use Canva? Which through Canva, you can use for blogging, slide presentations, project presentations, right? You can use for website, blog, Twitter, social media, and so on can apply. But for the sake of today's presentations and discussions, we will focus on how to create slide presentation for research. The main things is Canva helping us to ideate and create more um, variety or minimalist concept in preparing our slide presentations. So this is the basic. I start from scratch. So you just click Canva. For those who still have no account, Canva, you can sign up. Or those who already have or create the account, you just log into your account. So I just try to sign up and then I choose one of my email here and then we'll be bring directly to my home page of this Canva. First, I would like to recommend that look the whole page of this like landing page or home page of this Canva, what you can learn and what you can explore. But for today, we focus directly to preparations for research like presentations and so on. The first thing first, I would like to say we need to explore this create and design button because this is the main thing that you need to understand what you are doing, what is the purpose of why you choose Canva. So I show you, if you can see my homepage here, sample one is based on search that I've done from this Canva. Sample two here, ESG, is actually from PDF. Right? I pick it up from my own slide, PDF slide that I choose based on create design and I import file. So when I import file, you can choose any file that you want to bring together to your Canva account. So either you want to use PowerPoint that you have before, or you want to pick up with the ideas from PDF, or you want to pick up from any image that you love to apply to your latest design. Okay, so for this one, I try to pick up some of them because some of them is already there, appear in this folder. So soon they will appear that one, then we can use for our presentation. Okay, let's say I create a design. I choose presentations. All right, so they come up with the ideas of blank presentations. Now we can see, right, the first page of our design, slide design, what we can do, what we want to do. So as I mentioned earlier, right, Canva, they have huge numbers of design, of template, huge numbers of whatever that we need for our presentation. So again, at the first start, I ask you guys to look, to explore the home page, all the buttons here and there. So when we come to the design template page, right, try to explore, right, the button and icon that appear in this left hand side lah, the left hand side of our screen, right, mentions icon templates over there, icon elements over there, icon upload, icon text, and icon more. So from more, the good things is that you can create another folder for your project. You can add photos, your own photos. You can add even styles, audio, videos, backgrounds, charts, and so on. So you click more photos. There are some photos that you can use, right? And then they appear here. You can pick up another audio to add on your presentations, videos, chart, and then background as well as folder. All right. We also can use, sometimes in your presentation, you can use QR code. You can you can put a character, you can put and Bitmoji. But for research slide presentations, perhaps try to avoid lah to use Bitmoji or movement of characters and so on. It's not appropriate to your research slide, but it depends. If your study is about character, right, drawing on multimedia basis and so on, then you have to put this kind of emoji. So we go for back to template icon. Now, what I would like to explore with you guys is maybe we can say research slide. Right, research presentations or research poster or research. So they come up with the ideas. So let's say instead of research, my research topic mostly discussing about market study. So it's more professional, I think. I believe it's like more mature instead of previous one. Or maybe we can explore about, okay, let's say we look into mobile application. Which is more, I think, more professional lah. So let's say we pick up with the ideas of, if you notice here, this one is pro, this one is for free, meaning that if you want to buy pro, you need to buy lah. Okay, so let's say mobile applications. Let's say we pick up of one of it. Maybe we can go for this one. Wow. Okay, let's say this is just a sample of you for you. Okay, so let's say you can pick up only one, or you can apply all 13. So for me, the best things is actually try to apply all these 13 first. Replace all. Okay, so this is template for your research slide presentations and so on, or project presentations soon and so on. So from here, what we can do is that they already come up with the ideas of brand kit, font, templates, and so on. Even if you want to add some more into these presentations, right? You can see, you can add text, you can pick up, see all, and then need to wait lah. Okay, so you can, let's say you want to use this one instead of this one, instead of brand kit, and then you just want to come up with ideas of your name, example lah ya. Alright, this one hips. Wow. Okay, and then you want to, this one is normal, same things like what you did in PowerPoint or fonts and so on, just to pick up a sample of fonts. Okay, you just drag wherever you want. Let's say for this one, just want to put over there. So let's say I remove back this one, go back to the normal kit. So this is the template that you have. You can choose any. If let's say you think that instead of this one, I want to explore about maybe you can see something from kickoff presentations, and you think that instead of just use apply to all of them, you want to pick up maybe one of this one, add as new page. All right, so you just click from here and then add to your project just now. Okay, so for this one, sorry, I forgot to remind you, when you click the previous is the mentions here is your design or presentations. So for this one, I would like to rename into project 1. Okay, so this is your project 1 template. So now, Yeah, you already add this one, and from the previous slide, you think that you want to use this. Oh, sorry for that one. You want to add new page here. Some of them can just add and drop. You want to apply more, and then you can say, let's say at the end of the slide, words of thank you. So these combinations of slide, right, can be applied directly to your project slide. So let's say you think that you believe from the first one you want to change brand kit, you want to I have no idea what your name, project and so on. Maybe your project's name, OB1, and then this is for creating CCC and so on. So this is the like tagline and so on for the project. So you think that for this one you want to change with your another pictures or photos and so on, and you believe that this is good for you if you can add some photos of you yourself. Let's say okay, to add another photos, instead of, if you still remember, instead of clicking create and then import file, you also can use this button, uploads, and then upload file. Okay, once you get into your slide presentation project, right, then you think that you want to upload more, you can click to the buttons of upload buttons and then choose upload file. Right, from upload file, let's say you pick any relevant pictures, let's say this one, and then they appear here, and then you want to drag to your mobile apps here, and then just drag into this one. All right, and then you can resize based on the needs and so on. So for this one, because I just want to sample and in this project, and then you can delete this one and then replace with your new photo, something like that, right? So back to the previous one. Okay, so for this one, and then again, the rest of this one you can remove, you can use, and so on. All right, even for the photos, as mentioned earlier, you can upload your photos, everything that you need to upload your photos here, and then adjust accordingly, right? Amend accordingly. So we go back to the previous template that we have. All right, I pick up this one, I change this one. So this is straightforward here. All right, straightforward to change. You just double click, click on this one, and then change whatever that you want. All right, even for the pictures, just try to pick up or choose any relevant photos, or even you can put any relevant elements in your slide. Let's say you think that you want to come up with the ideas of mobile phone. Like instead of that one, you want to change into this one. So just pick up any of them, right? Resize them based on what you want, right? Then try to apply accordingly. Okay? So whatever that you looking forward into. Let's say I want to use this one, this game punya tools ni, appear in your mock-up, right? I just pick to use edit image, right? Click to this one. Let's say I want to make sure this icon appear in my mockup, right? Smart mockup. So click to this picture and then click to smart mockup. And then you want to show that this mockup appear to one of your mobile example with the pictures of maybe someone holding your mobile's app and like this. So it click to this one or add and drop to this one to your picture. Click the icon and then this will appear in your mobile phone. And you think that you want to change that one instead of that one, why not we choose laptop, mock-up laptop. So maybe I want to pick up this one. Okay, just choose this one and then we change to the pictures previously that you clicked from your slide will appear in your smart mockup. So, even this one, if I'm not mistaken, right, you can use effect, but I think for research slide presentations, no need for you to apply effect and so on, but it depends on the situations of your study. What else that I want to show you? To add animations to your slide presentations, you can see here the tab, animate tab. Click to the animate tab, and then you can choose directly. So for the page animations, right, you can use the whole page directly. Pick up. They provide you directly the whole things. Okay, this is a cool things lah for Canva. For me, if you want to use or choose any animations for your research slide, maybe it's just good for you to apply the first page of your slide, right? And maybe one or two animations elements in your next slide. Don't provide too much animations because it will distract your panel. But again, right, those who their research is involved related to animations, involve developments of technology, apps, and so on, then it will be appropriate to apply animations. Okay, but if I want to share with you and so on, your my colleague and so on, you can anyone with a link, right? Or you can add directly people into these slide presentations. Okay. If you want to use the elements, right, you can see all the elements here. Yes, sometimes it's quite huge. I have no idea until when that we can stop the elements to appear. Or maybe you can say that what kind of icon that you need to use or apply in your slide presentation. Instead of waiting the whole list appear, why not you come up with the ideas of the names and so on. So let's say we want to use this one, the line graph, bar chart of this one, and then put over there. So let's say you want to add that from Google Sheet. Yes, you can add data from Google Sheet. Just click downstairs, below, you can see there, right? Then you can take from your Google Sheets or even from your Excel. Then it will appear directly. Then you can amend lah. So let's say you want to apply a line chart. Just click with the same facts and figures there. You want to use donut chart. You want to use funnel chart. So you want to use pie chart here. There's plenty of them. So edit here if you want to edit more. Right. If you want to change the color, you also can change here, right, by default color. Right. So this is all the things lah that you want to apply. For me, rest ni spacing, right? This another spacing be easier for you guys. So the roundness to make sure is it like cool or not for you. It depends on you lah how you view your own presentation slide. Right, this one is like same things, bold, italic, and so on. Right, copy style is actually to copy the whole things, right, to another one, and then transparency is actually to reduce the transparencies, numbers, appearance of the graphic or even the image and so on. Right, link is actually to link, to put any link that you want to, when you want to click here, then we go to another page and so on. Easy. Okay, you still remember at the early stage, I have some of my slide that I believe, and I think that from that slide, I want to use some of them in my latest presentation slide. So I import my file to my cloud, Canva cloud. So that's why when I click this folder and then all your design is actually related to whatever either your friend share with you, whatever that you import by yourself, whatever you purchase and so on, and they will appear. But for this one, because for this sharing, for today's sharing, I just created this one, and then there's only appear whatever that I upload. All right. So so from here, I can see one of the slide that I love to use, some of them in my latest slide presentation. So what I did is that I click here, or even I can add my slide there, right? So I just double click to one of them to appear in my slide. Good thing is in Canva, right? Even though you have a PowerPoint that already exported in your folder, or you have PDF already exported in a folder, you can change easily. Either this PDF or either this is your PowerPoint. So I think maybe this will be a simple for sharing for you guys for your research. Right, but I believe that because I already come up with some of ideas and so on, right, directly what you need to do. The most important that you need to understand from the template is that search box, right? Search box, what kind of presentations that you are looking at, right? And then you need to understand what you want to have in your slide presentations. Such elements, I mentioned just now, I want graph. So I search graph. I want 3D printer. I search 3D printer. I want, let's say, icon for community, example there. All right, huge numbers. I want communications, appear over there, icon and so on. Try to minimalist your slide presentations. I would like also to recommend try to explore the best poster font and so on. Right? Letters, example, letters font for research presentation. So they will come up with some ideas. All right. So this is the good things. This is what I recommend to all of you lah. Instead of ref, refer directly only for Canva, I would like to recommend to you, if you have time, just go and try to search what kind of latest font good for presentations. My final remark, I think all the best to all of you. And I believe with a simple sharing or short sharing I did just now, it will be a good kickstart for you to apply and use Canva. All right. Thank you so much.